Welcome back, Crypto Boy. Subscribe for more crypto learning videos and trading guides every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest crypto insights. Today, we're diving into the future of Celestia's native token, TIA Coin. If you're searching for a long-term crypto project with solid fundamentals and cutting-edge blockchain technology, this episode is for you. We'll break down what makes TIA unique, its growth potential, and realistic price predictions from 2025 to 2030. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the next big thing in blockchain infrastructure, stick around as we explore TIA's journey and what could be in store for its holders over the next 5 years. Start with the basics. TIA is the native token of Celestia, the world's first modular blockchain. Unlike traditional blockchains that handle everything in one layer, Celestia separates data availability and consensus. This means other blockchains or rollups can plug into Celestia, building faster and more efficiently. TIA tokens play a crucial role. They're used for staking, governance, and paying for what's called blob space. As more rollups join the ecosystem, demand for Celestia's data layer and TIA tokens could surge, setting the stage for future growth. Celestia's modular approach is a game-changer in the blockchain world. By focusing on data availability and consensus, Celestia allows developers to create custom blockchains or rollups that plug into its network. This flexibility means faster innovation and scalability for the entire Web3 ecosystem. As more projects adopt modular blockchains, TIA stands to benefit from increased utility and demand. It's a shift from the old monolithic blockchain model to a more adaptable, future-proof architecture. TIA isn't just another token, it's the backbone of Celestia's ecosystem. Holders can stake TIA to help secure the network and earn rewards. They also participate in governance, voting on key proposals that shape Celestia's future. Perhaps most importantly, TIA is used to pay for blob space, the data storage that rollups need to operate. As the number of rollups grows, so does the demand for TIA, making it a potentially valuable asset for long-term investors. Why is TIA catching the eye of so many investors? Modular blockchains are seen as the next evolution in Web3 scalability. Celestia already boasts partnerships with multiple rollups and Layer 2 solutions, signaling strong ecosystem growth. There are also proposals to reduce TIA's inflation rate, which could make it a deflationary asset in the future. Add in attractive staking rewards, and you have a recipe for long-term holder interest and potential scarcity in supply. Move toward modular blockchains is reshaping the crypto landscape. By decoupling consensus and data availability from execution, Celestia enables a more scalable and flexible environment for decentralized applications. This architecture allows for rapid experimentation and growth, which is why many believe modular blockchains like Celestia will drive the next wave of Web3 innovation. TIA, as the native token, is positioned at the heart of this transformation. Celestia's growing list of partnerships is a strong signal for its future. By collaborating with multiple rollups and Layer 2 projects, Celestia is building a robust ecosystem. These partnerships not only expand the network's reach but also drive more demand for TIA tokens. As the ecosystem matures, the value proposition for TIA holders becomes even more compelling, with increased utility and potential for price appreciation. One of the most interesting aspects of TIA is its evolving tokenomics. There are ongoing proposals to reduce the inflation rate of TIA, which could eventually make it a deflationary asset. This means that over time the supply of TIA could decrease relative to demand, potentially driving up its price. For long-term investors, this dynamic adds another layer of appeal, as scarcity often leads to higher valuations in the crypto market. Staking is a big draw for TIA holders. By locking up their tokens to help secure the network, investors earn rewards over time. This not only incentivizes long-term holding but also reduces the circulating supply, creating scarcity. As more people stake their TIA, fewer tokens are available on the open market, which could support higher prices if demand continues to grow. No project is without risk, and TIA is no exception. One of the main concerns is large token unlocks. When a significant number of tokens are released into the market, it can lead to short-term price drops as early investors or team members take profits. It's important for investors to be aware of the token release schedule and plan their entries and exits accordingly. TIA operates in a highly competitive space. Other modular data layer projects like Avail and EigenDA are also vying for market share. This competition could impact Celestia's growth and, by extension, TIA's price performance. Investors should keep an eye on how Celestia differentiates itself and maintains its edge in this rapidly evolving sector. The success of TIA is closely tied to the growth of the rollup ecosystem. If adoption of rollups and modular blockchains stalls, demand for Celestia's data layer and TIA could be limited. It's crucial for investors to track ecosystem milestones and the pace of adoption to gauge long-term prospects. Regulatory uncertainty is another factor to consider. Infrastructure tokens like TIA may face scrutiny in certain regions, which could impact their adoption and price. The regulatory landscape for crypto is constantly evolving, so staying informed about policy changes is essential for anyone investing in TIA or similar projects. Now let's dive into the price predictions for TIA from 2025 to 2030. We'll look at 3 scenarios: conservative, base case, and bullish. Each scenario is based on different assumptions about adoption, ecosystem growth, and market conditions. Remember, these are not guarantees but informed estimates based on current trends and expert forecasts. The conservative scenario, we assume moderate adoption and slow ecosystem growth. Under these conditions, TIA's price could range between $2 and $5 by 2030. This outcome reflects a situation where Celestia's modular blockchain gains some traction but faces significant competition or adoption hurdles. It's a cautious outlook, but one that's important to consider for risk management. Base case scenario assumes good adoption and steady expansion of the Celestia ecosystem. If roll-ups and partnerships continue to grow, TIA's price could reach between $5 and $12 by 2030. This scenario reflects a balanced outlook, where Celestia becomes a key player in modular blockchain infrastructure but doesn't dominate the market entirely. The bullish scenario, Celestia achieves strong network effects and global adoption. If the modular blockchain model becomes the industry standard and Celestia leads the way, TIA's price could soar to $15.30 or even higher by 2030. This outcome depends on widespread adoption, successful execution of the roadmap, and continued innovation in the ecosystem. Industry forecasts suggest TIA could reach $20.22 by 2030 if it becomes a leading modular infrastructure token. These predictions are based on Celestia's potential to capture a significant share of the blockchain data layer market. However, it's important to remember that crypto markets are volatile, and these numbers are not set in stone. While price predictions can be exciting, it's crucial to approach them with caution. The crypto market is influenced by countless factors, from technological breakthroughs to regulatory changes and market sentiment. Always do your own research and consider multiple scenarios before making investment decisions. If you're considering holding TIA for the next 5 years, a strategic approach is key. Experts suggest keeping TIA as a small part of your portfolio, around 5–10%. This helps manage risk while still allowing for potential upside if TIA performs well. Diversification remains a cornerstone of smart investing, especially in the volatile crypto space. One effective strategy for long-term investors is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This means spreading out your TIA purchases over time, rather than buying all at once. DCA helps reduce the impact of market volatility and can lead to better average entry prices. It's a disciplined approach that many successful investors use to build positions in promising assets. Staying informed about Celestia's progress is vital for TIA holders. Track key milestones like new roll-up integrations, total value locked TVL growth, and proposals to reduce inflation. These indicators can provide valuable insights into the health and potential of the ecosystem, helping you make better investment decisions over time. It's wise to have a plan for taking profits as TIA's price evolves. Consider gradually selling portions of your holdings between $8 and $20, depending on performance and market conditions. This approach allows you to lock in gains while still maintaining exposure to potential upside if TIA continues to grow. Holding TIA for 5 years requires patience and a long-term mindset. Crypto markets can be volatile with sharp ups and downs along the way. By focusing on the fundamentals and sticking to your strategy, you can ride out short-term fluctuations and position yourself for potential long-term rewards. Celestia stands out as one of the most innovative infrastructure projects in the blockchain space. Its modular design allows for unprecedented flexibility and scalability, making it a key piece of Web3 architecture. As more developers and projects build on Celestia, the value of its native token, TIA, could continue to rise. Celestia successfully executes its roadmap and achieves major adoption. Early TIA holders could see significant returns. The project's focus on modularity and scalability positions it well to capture a large share of the growing blockchain infrastructure market. However, execution and adoption are key. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto. Investing in TIA is not without risk. The project operates in a fast-moving, competitive sector, and the crypto market is known for its volatility. While the potential rewards are significant, so are the risks. It's important to assess your own risk tolerance and only invest what you can afford to lose. TIA and Celestia are at the forefront of the Web3 infrastructure revolution. By enabling modular blockchains, they're paving the way for a more scalable and efficient decentralized internet. If this vision comes to fruition, TIA could become a foundational asset in the next generation of blockchain technology. The Celestia community plays a vital role in the project's success. Through governance, TIA holders can propose and vote on changes, ensuring the network evolves in a decentralized and transparent manner. A strong, engaged community is often a key indicator of a project's long-term viability. Keeping an eye on Celestia's roadmap is essential for investors. Milestones like mainnet launches, new partnerships, and technical upgrades can all impact TIA's value. Staying updated on project developments helps you make informed decisions and anticipate potential price movements. Certain metrics can provide valuable insights into Celestia's adoption. Watch for the number of active rollups, total value locked (TVL), and the growth of the developer community. These indicators can signal whether Celestia is gaining traction and if TIA's long-term prospects are improving. Market sentiment plays a big role in crypto price movements. Keep an eye on news, social media trends, and broader market cycles. Positive sentiment can drive prices higher, while negative news or uncertainty can lead to sharp corrections. Staying aware of the mood in the market helps you navigate volatility. No matter how promising TIA looks, diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider spreading your investments across multiple assets and sectors. This approach helps protect your portfolio from unexpected downturns and maximizes your chances of long-term success. History shows that crypto markets move in cycles, with periods of rapid growth followed by corrections. Studying past cycles can help you set realistic expectations and avoid emotional decision-making. Remember, patience and discipline are your best allies in the world of crypto investing. The crypto space evolves quickly, with new developments happening almost daily. Make it a habit to stay informed by following project updates, industry news, and expert analysis. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ups and downs of the market. Joining the Celestia community can provide valuable support and insights. Participate in forums, social media groups, and governance discussions to stay connected with other investors and developers. A strong community can help you stay motivated and informed throughout your investment journey. Protecting your crypto assets is essential. Use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Regularly review your security settings and stay updated on best practices to keep your investments safe from threats. Don't forget about taxes when investing in crypto. Gains from TIA and other tokens may be subject to taxation in your country. Keep accurate records of your transactions and consult with a tax professional to ensure you're compliant with local regulations. Celestia's long-term vision is to become the backbone of a scalable, modular blockchain ecosystem. If successful, TIA could play a central role in powering the next generation of decentralized applications and services. This ambitious goal is what excites many investors about the project's future. TIA is part of a broader trend of infrastructure tokens gaining attention in the crypto space. Comparing TIA to other tokens like Avail and EigenDA can help you understand its unique value proposition and competitive advantages. Each project has its strengths and challenges, so thorough research is essential. The crypto market is unpredictable, so staying flexible is important. Be ready to adjust your strategy as new information emerges or market conditions change. Flexibility allows you to capitalize on opportunities and minimize losses in a fast-moving environment. Every investor makes mistakes. It's part of the learning process. The key is to learn from them and refine your approach over time. Keep a record of your decisions, review what worked and what didn't, and use those lessons to become a better investor. Don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Investing can be stressful, so acknowledging your successes helps keep you motivated and positive. Every step forward is progress on your journey to financial growth. TIA Coin represents one of the most innovative infrastructure tokens in the blockchain space. Its modular design could make it a cornerstone of Web3 by 2030. If Celestia executes its roadmap and achieves widespread adoption, early holders could benefit significantly. However, always remember that this is a high-risk, high-reward investment. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and invest wisely as you navigate the evolving world of crypto. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into TIA Coin and Celestia's modular blockchain future. We hope this analysis helps you make more informed decisions about your crypto investments. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on the latest trends in blockchain and digital assets. Until next time, keep learning and investing with confidence.